In this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of a B&B here in Split. Stick around. Why am I filming this place for you? Well, I have another channel, Domain Rome, that deals with Rome exclusively. One of the most popular videos on that channel is an apartment tour of a place near the Colosseum. You can find the link to that video below. So I figured you guys like that sort of thing. Let's take a look. Why am I staying here? Location, location, location. Alright, this place is not near the Colosseum, but it's less than 10 minutes walk from the 17th century's old Diocletian's palace. I could have picked to stay in one of those narrow streets in the palace. Yes, you've heard me well, in the palace. But I don't want to deal with crowds and noise, so I chose not to. By the way, I made an entire video about the palace, and you can find a link below. So yes, staying in Old Town Split would have been like staying in a museum. But I also need to be able to work and to re-energize. That's just very important to me. As I said, the location of this place is amazing. It's literally a stone's throw from anything of any interest in the city. You don't need any transportation of any sort, and you can even get to the beach by simply walking. The place sits in a nice tree-lined boulevard, whose shade I grew to appreciate, and right next to a tiny park. There's a coffee shop across the street, and there is another one right behind the building. The main entrance is a little bit dark. It was built in the 60s, so you get a glimpse of the authentic communist world experience. The place doesn't feel claustrophobic, and you don't need to go anywhere, so no need to leave the place on an odd rainy day. This place is clearly intended for more than one person. I think 6 people can sleep here. There is AC everywhere. There are 2 fridges. The place is not huge, but you've got everything you need in one place. You get views from every single window, and you don't have to even get out of bed. It's got a lot of light, And I'm loving it out here on the balcony. And you get that sea breeze too. The only thing missing here is a rocking chair.